What is going on, Ape Nation? I've got a very exciting video for you today, and we're going to get right into it. But before we do, please go ahead and smash that like button so the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. Also, if you are new here or if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm not sure what the hell you're waiting for, but I drop content just like this every single day, multiple times per day, and you will not want to miss it. So make sure you tap that notification bell as well. But without any further ado, let us go ahead and get to the video. So here's the issue at hand, okay? And I've got some significant news to report to you today, but before I do have to address something that's been going on in the comments section, and it happens every single time that AMC takes a little bit of a nosedive or, falls a couple percentage points. It seems that people get discouraged. Now, I know I've said this on my channel before, but it's just getting worse and worse and worse. Now, some of these people may be shills. I am aware that there's a lot of shills out there that are just trying to spread FUD in order to drive the stock price down, but some of these are actual people that are invested in AMC and are upset because the stock is going down. They're blaming me. They're blaming other YouTubers. They're crying about it. Listen, I'm sympathetic to your situation, okay? I'm holding shares just like you are. So when AMC goes down, I mean, hell, I'm happy about it because I can buy more shares at a cheaper price. At the same time, my covered calls, yes, I said it, my covered calls, and this is going to upset some of you in the comments section, but I've said it before on other videos. If you're not comfortable with the position that you're holding, then you must have put way too much dadgum money into that position. Now, there are ways to hedge against AMC going down. Selling covered calls is one of them. I don't care what people in the comments are saying that, oh, well, this isn't helping the movement. Or, oh, yeah, go ahead and sell covered calls and see what happens when AMC hits that MOASS. Okay, well, so far, okay, AMC hadn't hit that MOASS yet. So I'm hedged against my position to an extent, and I'm protected. I've made more money than I've put into the stock already, a significant amount of more money than I've spent on the stock, on the amount of shares that I hold. So right now I'm not messed up either way. I don't care what happens because that position is not going to take me out. Does it suck if the MOASS doesn't happen in the future? Yes, of course it does. But you know what? I'm not losing any money. Okay, I'm not risking not being able to take care of my family. That was the message that I've been putting out on several videos in the past. And that's the message I'm going to continue putting out because you guys need to know. You need to know how to use options to your advantage. It's about making money, not about, getting emotional about a freaking stock. Yes, I love AMC. We all love AMC. We are all apes. And other than just making money, I'm in this movement to rip Ken Griffin a freaking new one. Payback is a dish best served cold, and I'm trying to serve that dish not only to Ken Griffin, but to all the other hedgy man suckers that deserve to be served my dish of personal spices, my cooking. Boy, I feel sorry for them sons of guns because my cooking ain't too good, okay? That was a joke. My cooking's actually great. But my point here is, okay, you got to be able to stay in the dadgum game if you want to be able to, experience that MOASS. If you get scared and sell out, you're not going to experience no damn MOASS, which means that you have to manage your risk appropriately, which means that your position size should be appropriate for your account, okay? Don't go out there spending your entire, piggy bank savings on AMC stock if you're not able to stomach the volatility. The reason that this is a great stock is because of the volatility. Now, sure, there are some other factors in play here, but the volatility is what makes this so freaking attractive. I've said it before. I'm saying it again because I get so upset when I see comments in the comments section, people trying to spread FUD and ruin it for everybody. Okay, we don't want that. This thing will pop when it's ready to pop. You're not going to be able to control it, predict it. Neither am I. Okay, I'm not a freaking fortune teller. I've got no crystal ball. I've said that before. I'm sure you're familiar with that. Anyhow, that's all I'm going to say about that, okay? If you can't stomach the volatility, then get the hell out of the stock. It's that simple, okay? Go buy Apple or Microsoft or something like that if you can't stomach the volatility. You'll still get a decent return. You just won't get that MOASS return, okay? So I've said my piece on that. I've got, no disrespect to anybody that's leaving these comments in my comment section. I'm just saying, though. But anyhow, now let's get to the topic at hand. the news that I said that I had at the beginning of this video, which is actually pretty damn good news. So this news that I have for you guys, it pertains to Ken Griffin. Not only to Ken Griffin, but also to AMC stock. Obviously, you're watching an AMC video. But it turns out that our friend Ken Griffin, you know, our good old pal, turns out that out of all the hedge funds, Citadel has the largest position in AMC stock of them all. Okay, $338 million worth of call options that Citadel just picked up. Wow. That's more than you own. That's more than I own. Holy hell, what in the heck is going on? Now, this came out in an article today, and I want to read you just a little bit of this article just so you know where I'm coming from here. Hedge fund Citadel LLC has amassed the largest position in AMC Entertainment of any hedge fund. For investors in AMC, Citadel and its CEO, Ken Griffin, have often served as pretty much the villains. And not without reason. A pending lawsuit in Florida alleges that Citadel Securities LLC may have pressured Robinhood Markets Incorporated into limiting trades in AMC, GameStop Corporation, and other meme stocks. This sent their prices down and may have benefited Citadel LLC's portfolio. Now, Griffin and Citadel seem to have decided that if you can't beat them, join them. When looking at the institutional investors followed by Insider Monkey, Citadel Investment Group, managed by Ken Griffin, holds the most valuable position in AMC Entertainment Holdings. Citadel Investment Group has a $338.1 million call position in the stock, comprising of 0.1% of its 13F portfolio. With AMC's stock up more than 17-fold for the year, Griffin seems to have realized that fighting hordes of retail traders is a losing battle. He's in good company. Jim Simons, legendary founder of Renaissance Technologies LLC, has been loading up on AMC shares since at least August. Other top funds, including D.E. Shaw, former employer of Jeff Bezos, have also thrown their hats into the ring. One of the most common sayings in markets is that the trend is your friend. Griffin will find few friends in the meme stock community, but the trend may be on his side. So what does that tell us? Well, if Griffin's buying it, okay, and I have verified these numbers, he is a hedge fund, obviously, but from what I saw of his option plays, he's got about $338 million in call options and about $8 million hedging the downside with put options. So what does that tell you? He believes in the MOASS. He believes in it more than you do because he's got a larger stake in it than you do. He's a bigger ape than you are. AMC stock, eventually, we're going to the moon, baby. I don't know if it's going to be today, tomorrow, next Wednesday, or on your grandmother's birthday. Just have a little bit of faith and let Ken lead the way.